Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the 2025 Honda ADV 160, the ultimate adventure scooter that has just been officially revealed. Honda has packed this latest model with new features, a sleek design and some fresh, vibrant color options, making it an exciting choice for both city commuting and off-road adventures. In this video, we're going to dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda ADV 160, from its key updates and performance capabilities to its expected price and new colors. The Honda ADV 160 has long been a favorite among adventure scooter enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of versatility, power, and style. For 2025, Honda has taken it up a notch, and the result is a scooter that feels more refined, more capable, and more stylish than ever before. The first thing that catches your eye is the revamped design. Honda has introduced several new color schemes that give the ADV 160 a fresh and modern look. These new colors are bold and striking, giving the scooter an adventurous feel right from the start. Whether you're zipping through city streets or heading off the beaten path, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 makes sure you do it in style. But it's not just about the looks. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 comes equipped with an upgraded 157cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, providing plenty of power for all kinds of riding conditions. Whether you're commuting through urban traffic or exploring rugged trails, this engine is built to deliver smooth, reliable performance. With improved fuel efficiency, you can enjoy longer rides without having to worry about frequent fuel stops. The scooter is also designed to be user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned riders and beginners alike. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its enhanced suspension system. Honda has focused on improving ride comfort, particularly for those who love to take their scooters on more adventurous routes. The front suspension now offers better travel, making it more capable of handling rough terrain, while the rear suspension provides a smoother, more cushioned ride. Whether you're cruising down a bumpy road or navigating uneven surfaces, the ADV 160 suspension system works hard to absorb the shocks, ensuring that your ride remains comfortable and controlled. Another key improvement is the scooter's advanced technology. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 now comes with a fully digital LCD instrument panel, offering all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. The panel is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and the design complements the scooter's sleek, modern aesthetic. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with Honda's smart key system, which adds an extra layer of convenience and security. With the smart key, you can start the scooter without taking the key out of your pocket, which is a nice touch for busy riders on the go. Safety is also a priority with the 2025 Honda ADV 160. Honda has included an anti-lock braking system ABS to help ensure more stable and controlled braking in all conditions, whether you're stopping quickly in city traffic or slowing down on loose surfaces. This feature is particularly valuable for riders who like to explore off-road terrain, as it offers added peace of mind and improved handling in potentially tricky situations. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Honda ADV 160, the fresh new color options. Honda has introduced a range of dynamic colors that not only enhance the scooter's visual appeal, but also allow riders to express their personal style. Some of the colors are bold and adventurous, perfect for riders who want to stand out, while others are more understated, offering a classic and sophisticated look. Regardless of your preference, there's a color option for everyone, making the ADV 160 feel even more customizable and unique. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 is expected to start at around $4,300 to $4,500, depending on the market. This pricing makes it an affordable yet feature-packed option for those looking for a versatile scooter that can handle both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Honda has managed to keep the price competitive while offering a host of improvements in performance, comfort, and design, making the ADV 160 a great value for money. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 is shaping up to be an incredible adventure scooter, combining the best of both worlds' city-friendly practicality and off-road capability. With its upgraded engine, improved suspension, advanced technology, and new color options, The ADV 160 is sure to attract both existing fans and new riders looking for a reliable, stylish, and fun scooter. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or an adventure companion, the Honda ADV 160 is a scooter that you can rely on, offering performance, comfort, and style all in one package. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda ADV 160. If you're as excited as we are about this scooter, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews, test rides, and scooter content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.